Setting the table, mastering everyday English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, set the table. It's a simple yet essential expression used in everyday life. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just brushing up on your skills, understanding these phrases can be incredibly helpful. Set the table refers to preparing a table for a meal. This involves placing items like plates, cutlery, glasses, and napkins in their proper positions before eating. It's a phrase often used at home, in restaurants, and during events. Understanding this phrase is important because it's part of daily routines and cultural practices. The phrase, set the table, has been part of the English language for centuries. Its origins lie in the concept of setting a space or area for a specific purpose. Over time, it evolved to specifically mean preparing a table for a meal. Using set the table in a sentence is straightforward. Here are some examples. 1. Before dinner, could you please set the table? 2. During a party preparation, I'll cook the pasta while you set the table. 3. In a restaurant setting, the waiter set the table for the new guests. In different cultures, setting the table can involve various items and traditions. For example, in formal Western dining, setting the table includes multiple pieces of cutlery and glassware. In contrast, in some Asian cultures, setting the table might primarily involve chopsticks and a bowl. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, set the table. We hope you found this video useful in understanding this common English expression. Remember, learning such phrases can greatly enhance your conversational skills and cultural understanding. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.